Yeah, hi, and welcome to Splash. I have never seen this page. I don't know, it just popped up and I thought it's really interesting. World's most extreme rogue wave recorded in the North Pacific. Researchers have announced that a 17.6 meter rogue wave, the most extreme rogue wave ever recorded, has been measured off the waters of Ucluelet, British Columbia. The rogue wave, which measured as high as a four-story building, was recorded in November 2020 by Victoria, BC Mays Marine Labs Data Systems. It is the subject of a scientific report by Dr. Johannes Gimbrich and Lea Kikon, both of the University of Victoria, published in the journal Scientific Reports. The giant wave measured almost 3 times as high as the waves around it. Rogue waves are defined as waves with a height more than double that of other waves occurring around them, also known as freak or killer waves. Their tendency to occur unexpectedly and with huge force makes them especially dangerous and have been regularly linked to the growing spate of box spills from many container ships in recent years. The first rogue wave ever measured occurred off the coast of Norway in 1995, known as the Doppler Wave. It measured 25.6 meter in a sea state with wave heights of approximately 12 meters, 2 times the size of those occurring around it. The wave recorded by Marine Labs in Ucluelet was 70.6 meter in a sea state with wave heights of approximately 6 meter, nearly 3 times the size of the waves around it. You can read the rest of that. It's just when you ponder or think or whatever about waves. I made some video about cosmic tremors when there was like CMEs and stuff coming in somewhat certain frequency from the sun. So, which means that our magnetosphere starts to wobble, like rhythmically in a way. So, we have these waves, and there will be every now and then also this kind of monster wave, which emerges from average waves. All of a sudden, you have a large peak of energy. So, we might expect something like this as well in a much bigger scale. The probability of such an event occurring is once in 1,300 years. Okay. Now to lightning. Some time ago I made this video. Continuous ash plumes are like antennas for more energy. Yeah, I still think it's so. And one thing maybe really good to understand that there is like energy flowing almost always in both directions. Like we have ground currents within Earth's mantle. They go sideways, up and downwards, and they also are, of course, connected to the things above, the heavens, and which are connected furthermore to a star which is connected to the galaxy, and you know the story. And I stumbled across a video today which I found really interesting. Yeah, obviously it's Hello News, and it's about the Tal volcano. And watch. Like when I said there are antennas for more energy, this means that there could also come energy out of the volcano, and vice versa. And clouds, even if there are normal clouds, It's basically ionized water, so it's plasma. It will act as plasma. I will put a link below to this video. You can watch the whole thing. I think we have to watch that again. It's just amazing. Huh. It really seems it's coming from the ground up and not the other way around. And it somehow discharges in the clouds. If you look really closely at the end, you see up here in the clouds a really bright glow. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that. And now as we have a plume here, the energy goes both ways. That's why I think ash plumes, or even if there are steam plumes from a volcano, they are acting like antennas because they rise to a certain height, to a certain boundary of whatever layer in the atmosphere they are, and there are different electric currents than in the layers below and above, and they interact with each other. That's why there are antennas. Because the energy will flow both ways. Heat goes up and energy goes down, or however you put it. There's like many things going on, but this is how I see it. Yeah, thanks. Bye.